Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to unbox the POCO F3 GT. Yes friends, finally long wait for the POCO F3 GT has been finished. I got my POCO F3 GT in my studio just today. So let's see how is our unboxing experience, and I'll try to do plenty of videos for the next couple of days. Make sure to not miss each and every video because I'll try to mainly focus comparing this POCO F3 GT versus Realme X1 Max, which has Dimensity 1200, both phones. That's the main focus first, and next comparing with this monster iQOO 7 device, whether this can come close to this kind of performance or not. These are the things which I'll be trying to focus for the next few days. And in case if you want me to do any other videos particularly, let me know in the comment section below of this video. The reason I'm doing the unboxing video is because to see all the comments and feedback what I'm getting, based on those only I'll try to make the videos for the next couple of days. Let me know in the comment section below friends. I may not be able to reply to you, but definitely I'll do my best to do the videos as soon as possible. Let's do the unboxing of this POCO F3 GT, and thank you for each and everyone who did participate in the voting system which I created in the community post. So a couple of days back I started to create this kind of voting system friends, as you can see here. So a lot of people, they are really interested in the both phones, POCO F3 GT and OnePlus Nord 2, and I did order both phones for you all. I did not expect this much of huge demand for this kind of both phones. That is the reason I thought of ordering on all your request. So make sure to watch all the videos. Couple of days back I did create the membership for my channel, so in case if you feel like you want to support me, definitely you can take the membership and you can support me friends. So that will be really helpful for me to buy more and more phones. So at this moment I am really limited to buy only few phones, selected phones, not all the phones. That is the reason. So I thought of creating the membership, and in this way even I can stay in touch with my members who actually thinks my videos are really worth of watching. That is the reason I thought of creating the membership line, which will be useful for me and which will be useful even for the members who are actually subscribing to my channel. I thought of just informing you in case if you feel like supporting me, you can definitely subscribe. So let's see how this monster gonna come back and give how much kind of tough competition with the iQOO 7 device. Let's see the unboxing experience. What are the things which we get in the box? That is what I'm going to exactly show you right now. Let me quickly unbox this device, and POCO F3 GT, the monster inside, which is from the Dimensity monster, not the Snapdragon monster. So let's see the first experience. And this is the small box which you have here, and the SIM card, and we do get the case. Let's check the case quality. How is the case quality? It's pretty normal, I think so. Transparent or semi-transparent. I think it's transparent case. It's pretty normal quality. There's nothing much to talk about this case. Let me try to put the case side, and we do get the SIM card pin, and let me try to see, is there any gaps for the triggers or not? Yes, there are gaps for the triggers, absolutely. That's good. And here is the POCO F3 GT. Yeah, that's good. It feels really good, not that heavy. But let me try to take out the covers. And don't forget to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this POCO F3 GT. So this is a black color variant which I did order right now. As you can see, it's really great to use this phone. Wow, it feels really premium friends. It's not that too heavy, I would say, in my opinion. I'll try to do a separate build quality review as well on this phone. So let me try to keep all the things aside, and let me try to check what are the other things we do have here. So that is the main reason friends why I created the membership, just because to buy the phones. So only in that way I'll be able to buy more and more phones in the future. So hopefully you will understand my point. And this is a 67 watt charger which I got in the box, as you can see, 67 watts. And is the cable which is I think L-type cable which we got, as you can see. That's really great, as you can see friends, exactly. So let's start with the setup process and let's see what will happen with this phone. And I'll just try to check how much battery percentage is there in this POCO F3 GT. Is there any battery percentage or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check right now. So this is really good friends, using this phone. It's not that heavy, I would say. I will try to do the build quality review as well separately, but overall it feels kind of really good to use. And we do have the magnetic triggers, which a lot of users are actually waiting. Even myself, I was eagerly waiting for this kind of magnetic triggers. That's fantastic. So I'll try to do the another reviews friends in depth, and right now the battery percentage is exactly 50%. Out of the box we are getting the MIUI 12.5. So basically this is complete unboxing experience friends of the POCO F3 GT. So this video is only the unboxing video. I'm not trying to talk about anything apart. So make sure to comment below friends, what are the videos you want me to post on this POCO F3 GT as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye. And also don't forget to follow me regularly, because for the next few days I'll try to do more and more videos on this POCO F3 GT as soon as possible. And don't forget to join my membership friends, because that will be really helpful for me to buy more and more phones in the future. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.